after sticking to a strict keto diet. At this point, it's more likely that you'll be done with any keto flu symptoms and your glycogen stores will be depleted, so you won't waste your time or ketone testing strips. Another option is to track your ketone levels at the same times every day for the first several weeks, along with your energy levels, digestion, bowel movements, and other symptoms. 3 tools for testing ketone levels. Ketone Monitor. The most accurate way to test your ketone levels is with a blood test. Most blood tests work like blood sugar monitors with a tiny pinprick to the finger, followed by placing a drop of blood on a test strip. The test strip measures the amount of BHB, the main ketone your body produces, in your bloodstream. The pros are that you'll get a really accurate, real-time reading of your ketone and blood sugar levels. The cons are that these strips can get a little pricey, about $1.30 per strip. This can add up if you're testing multiple times per day. Urine testing strips. Urine ketone testing strips are easy, painless, and less expensive than blood strips, but they're also less accurate than blood. When you're first getting into ketosis, your body will excrete excess ketones into your urine. That's why urine strips are an okay testing route to take when you're first starting out on the keto diet. Over time, however, your body will adapt, producing and using ketones more resourcefully and excreting way fewer ketones in the urine. That means your blood levels could still be high, but your urine levels won't reflect that. Breath testing strips. Also less accurate than a blood ketone reader. A breath ketone meter will test your ketone levels via the amount of acetone, another ketone body, in your breath. The pro is that you don't need to replace the strips, so this can be a more affordable testing option over time. The cons are accuracy. These seem to test well for lower ketone levels, but there's not enough formal data to confirm their accuracy when it comes to higher ketone levels.